What if learning English could change your life forever? Really? Can English do that? Yes. English gives you confidence, freedom, and opportunities. I want to speak English too. Then stay with us. This journey starts now. Fluency starts with courage, not perfection.
I am not perfect. That's okay. No one is. I feel shy when I speak.
Shyness disappears with practice. I want to try. Trying is already success. I speak slowly. Slow speech is clear speech. I make mistakes. Mistakes mean learning. I learn every day. Daily learning builds fluency. I practice at home.
Home practice is powerful. English is new for me.
New things grow with time. I want confidence. Confidence comes from speaking. I speak today. That's the right choice. I feel happy. Joy makes learning easier. English is nice. English is your future. Like this video if you want confidence. Please subscribe to learn with us. Comment yes if you want to speak English. See, fluency is built with habits. I like habits. Speakish. Speak English every day. I speak every day. There, even 5 minutes helps. 5 minutes is easy. Promise, consistency is power. I am consistent. Listen more than you speak. I listen carefully. Listening trains your brain. My brain is learning. I read simple English. I read short texts. Watch English videos. I watch every day. Wyproczy. Repeat what you hear. I repeat sentences. Repetition creates fluency. I repeat again. Practice out loud. I speak loudly. You feel. That builds confidence. I feel better. English becomes natural. English becomes slowly natural. Time plus effort works. I wait and work. Yes. You are improving. Yes, I am. If this helps you, like the video. Subscribe for daily English. Comment where you are watching from. Think in English, not translate. I try to think. Start with simple thoughts. I am happy. Perfect example. I feel confident. Emotions help memory. I remember more. Talk to yourself. I talk alone. Don't. That's an excellent practice. I like it. Describe your day. Today is good. Simple and clear. I use easy words. Easy words are strong. I understand. Fluency is comfort. comfort. I feel comfortable. Comfort leads to flow. Flow is nice. Comfort leads to flow. Flow is nice. You're doing great. Thank you. Keep speaking. I keep going. Never stop learning. I never stop. English is part of you. Yes, it is. Like if English feels easier now. Subscribe and learn step by step. Comment fluent if you believe. English changes your life. I believe that. It opens doors. I want doors open. English gives its choices. I like choices. Speak without fear. I try no fear. Fear disappears with action. I act today. You are brave. I feel brave. Brave learners succeed. I want success. What? Steps become journeys. I am on a journey. And you are not alone. We learn together. Community helps growth. I like community. Support makes progress faster. I feel support.
English connects people.
I connect.
Language builds bridges.
I cross bridges. Your voice matters. My voice matters.
Like to support this learning. Subscribe for confidence. Comment your English goal.
Fluency is clarity of thought. Clear thinking helps. Language reflects mindset. I think positive. Positive minds learn faster. I learn faster. English sharpens your mind. My mind grows. Growth needs patience. I am patient. Patience beats talent. I wait and work. Real fluency feels natural. I want natural. Think you are close. Really? Yes, consistency proves it. Small effort, big reward. Big reward. You are transforming. I change.
Change is powerful.
I feel power.
Use English confidently.
I use English.
You belong here.
I belong. Learning never ends. I continue. You inspire others. I help others. That is leadership. I lead. I lead. English gives you voice. I have a voice.
Like to support your journey. Subscribe for the future. Comment what English gives you. You started as a learner. I was a beginner. Now you are confident.
I am confident. Confidence is fluency. I feel fluent. Keep growing every day. I grow every day. Your journey matters. My journey matters. Your voice matters. My voice matters. Never stop speaking. I never stop. English is part of you. Buzzword. English is me. You are becoming fluent step by step. Stop memorizing English. Start living it. I want to speak English, but I'm scared. Fluency is not talent. It's a system. Really? I can do it too? Fluency starts in your mind. I think English is hard. Oh, that thought is the problem. I make many mistakes. You don't need speed. You need clarity. I feel shy. Shy means you care. That's good. I get words. Use simple words first. Simple is okay? Simple is powerful. Confidence. I want confidence. Confidence comes from action. Small action. Yes, 1 sentence a day. Only one? 1 perfect habit beats 10 plans. I like that. Speak daily, even alone. Alone speaking helps?
It trains your brain. I will try. That's fluency starting. Fluency loves routine. I study sometimes. Sometimes is not enough.